Hello and welcome to the presentation for BTEC Applied Science. My name is Miss Shaw and I'm going to be running through what this course entails. Okay, so this course is equivalent to an A-level course, and so the requirements reflect this. For a student to start this course, we would expect at least a grade 5 in GCSE English, Maths and Science. Because it's equivalent to an A-level, on completing the course, a pass grade will be equivalent to a grade E, merit grade will be equivalent to a grade C, and a distinction grade will be equivalent to a grade A. The exam board we use is Pearson Edexcel. The average class size is usually around 10 pupils, give or take. We attract a range of pupils to this course for various different reasons and various different career paths, but those pupils who are most successful are ones who are quite happy to be resilient in coming up with ideas, testing those ideas, making mistakes, problem solving. Pupils will get to test their ideas in real laboratory situations. So they need to be critical thinkers. They need to be able to recognise where they've made mistakes and rectify those. They also need to be good at analysing data, as there are statistics involved in quite a lot of our course. Pupils also need to be really good at teamwork, because quite frequently they will work in pairs, and so they need to have good communication skills for that. They will also need to be good, independent, self-motivated pupils, as quite a lot of the course will also be done independently in their own time. The amount of homework varies. So as just under half the course is coursework, this coursework is done in their own time outside of lessons, and therefore when coursework is being completed, no homework is set, and the coursework is what they do instead. At all other times, one piece of homework will be set per week. So the course comprises of 4 units. 2 of these units are examined and 2 of these units are coursework. So in year 1, we complete all of unit 1, which is the first examined unit. It is a theory-based unit where pupils will sit an exam once they've completed all the theory work. Unit 2, we do over the 2 years. So in year 12, we complete 2 pieces of coursework where the pupils carry out an investigation and then do a scientific write-up on it. So they will do an investigation on chromatography and also on titrations and colorimetry. They will also start Unit 3. Unit 3 is a practical exam unit. So there are 5 areas that they need to learn, and they need to be able to carry out experiments on. So in year 12, we work on circuits and diffusion. And finally, Unit 8, we start in year 12. This is a coursework-based unit. And for year 12, we look at the digestive system, how it works, and some disorders associated with that system and how it will be treated. In year 13, year 2, we complete Unit 2, 3 and 8. So Unit 2 comprises of another 2 pieces of coursework, a cooling curves experiment, again with a scientific write-up, and then a professional skills piece of coursework, which is an overview of the other 3 pieces of coursework, looking at what skills they've learned, what skills they need to continue to improve on, and a self-evaluation essentially. Unit 3, we continue the other half of the unit on the practical skills. So we look at fuels, enzymes and plants. And Unit 8 comprises of 2 more pieces of coursework. So we look at one on the lymphatic system and one on the musculoskeletal system. And again, for both of these pieces of coursework, we look at what these systems comprise of, how they work, disorders, and treatments of those disorders. Okay, so as I said, this course comprises of 4 units. So in year 12, pupils complete all of Unit 1, their theory-based units. They will sit the exam in around May time of year 12, with an option to resit if necessary in January of year 13. For Unit 3, pupils will sit the exam in January, and it's a practical exam with the written elements as well, and resits are available if necessary in May of year 13. Coursework. The 2 units for coursework are Unit 2 and Unit 8. There's 7 pieces of coursework in total, and these are spread across both years, but all coursework must be completed by Easter of year 13. So we have many students who take up this course so that they can get into areas of science which may be more laboratory technician. We also have students who are interested in physiotherapy, in those kind of careers. It's a really good course to get you into a more of an applied area of science, and that's why many of our students take it up. So on here we have the course specification. So we're doing the level national certificate level 3. If you have any further questions or anything you would like to know further, please feel free to email me at ashaw@littleheath.org.uk. Thank you very much.